Let's take a look inside the head element. The head element is a container for metadata. In HTML, metadata is data about the HTML document. A lot of what goes on inside the head element is not directly shown on the page, much like the thoughts in your own head. The head element is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. Metadata typically define the document title, styles, scripts, character set, and other meta information. Let's take a closer look at the title element, which defines the title of the document. The title is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab like this. It also provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. And it displays a title for the page in search engine results. Other important things found in the head section are styles or links to external style sheets, important keywords for search engines, character encoding information, and other things that make sure that your page behaves as expected on different devices or screens. Phew! That was a lot to remember. If you want to learn more about the specific head elements, go to our HTML head section on w3schools.com.